Good evening guys. In the previous video we had discussed about plant growth promoters. Today we are going to discuss about plant growth inhibitors. Plant growth inhibitors is for growth inhibiting activities like abscission, senescence, etc. Firstly we have to discuss about abscisic acid. To memorize all the functions of abscisic acid, firstly you have to understand this particular trick. All the functions of abscisic acid will be in accordance with this particular sentence. And the trick is, or sentence is, stop drug abuse, try to resist stress. Once again, stop drug abuse, try to resist stress. Let's check functions of abscisic acid one by one. First one is stomata. This S stands for stomata closure. That is, abscisic acid helps to closure of stomata. And this drug D stands for dormancy of bud and seed. Abscisic acid promote dormancy of bud and seed. This AB for abscission. As the name indicates, abscisic acid promote or increases abscission of old leaves and fruit. And this T for transpiration rate. That is, abscisic acid decreases transpiration rate. As the stomata being closed, so the transpiration rate of the plants decreases. And this word resist stress for resistance to stress. That is, stress like extreme cold and hot. These are the main functions of abscisic acid. Once again, the main functions of abscisic acid is, abscisic acid helps to closure of stomata and it promotes dormancy of bud and seed, and it helps abscission of old leaves and fruits, and then helps to decrease transpiration rate and resist stress like extreme cold and hot. So it is also known as stress hormone. It resists extreme cold and hot, like that is stress. So it is also known as stress hormone. Therefore, it is a kind of plant growth inhibitor. This is about hormone abscisic acid. Next one is ethylene. It is the only gaseous hormone. Ethylene, which stimulates transverse growth, and ethylene retards longitudinal growth. To memorize basic function or important functions of ethylene, this is a mnemonic or trick, and the trick is, Ripper Abraham was sent to jail by German police for breaking doors. Ripper Abraham was sent to jail by German police for breaking doors. Let's check functions of ethylene one by one. This RI for ripening of fruit. That is, ethylene helps in the ripening of the fruit. So it is also known as fruit ripening hormone. Ethylene is also known as fruit ripening hormone. In some fruits, there is an increase in the rate of respiration during ripening, and that type of fruit is known as climacteric fruit. That fruit is known as climacteric fruit. Then this AB for abscission. Ethylene increases abscission, and this S for senescence. That is, ethylene increases or promote senescence. Senescence of old leaves, fruit, etc. Then this full word German police for germination of peanut seeds. Ethylene helps in the germination of peanut seed. This full word stands for this function of ethylene. And this breaking door. This word also, full word also stands for break bud dormancy. Ethylene helps to break bud dormancy. These are the main functions of ethylene. That is, ethylene helps in the ripening of the fruit, hence it is known as fruit ripening hormone, and it promote or increase abscission, and it increase senescence, and it helps germination of peanut seeds, and at last it breaks bud dormancy. Okay, this is about plant growth regulators. So, hope you guys like this. Please subscribe our channel, like and share.